Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at FXTM. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXTM is a globally recognized online trading platform that has established itself as a leader in the financial markets. Renowned for its client-centric approach, FXTM offers a wide range of trading services, catering to both novice and experienced traders. With a strong emphasis on education, innovative tools, and superior trading conditions, FXTM ensures that its clients have access to cutting-edge technology and comprehensive support. The platform is regulated by multiple reputable financial authorities, reflecting its commitment to transparency, security, and trustworthiness in the trading world. FXTM provides an extensive selection of market instruments designed to cater to diverse trading preferences. Clients can access a broad range of forex currency pairs, metals, stocks, CFDs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, enabling users to diversify their portfolios. With such a wide array of instruments, FXTM equips traders with the tools needed to explore various markets and develop effective trading strategies. The broker is committed to maintaining high standards of trust and transparency by adhering to rigorous regulatory requirements. The platform is regulated by several prestigious financial authorities, including the FCA, the CYSEC, and the FSC in Mauritius. These regulatory bodies ensure that FXTM operates under strict guidelines to protect client funds, enforce fair trading practices, and provide a secure trading environment. By complying with these regulations, FXTM underscores its dedication to upholding the highest levels of integrity and investor protection in the financial markets. The broker offers a range of bonuses and promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for both new and existing clients. These promotions include deposit bonuses and also features periodic trading contests and special offers such as the Refer a Friend program. The platform regularly updates its promotional offerings to reflect market conditions and client needs, ensuring that traders have access to valuable incentives that can help boost their trading potential. Their deposit bonus provides traders with additional funds to enhance their trading opportunities. The FXTM deposit bonus allows clients to receive a bonus of up to 30%. This promotion is designed to give traders extra leverage by increasing their trading capacity. The bonus is available on a variety of deposit amounts, and the terms and conditions specify the requirements for withdrawing any funds earned through their bonus. The broker also offers trading contests, which are dynamic competitions that offer traders the chance to showcase their skills and win exciting prizes. These contests are designed to engage the trading community by challenging participants to achieve the highest trading performance within a specified time frame. With various contest formats, FXTM provides opportunities for traders of all levels to participate. The contest features attractive prizes such as cash rewards and trading credits, which can enhance the traders' accounts and boost their trading potential. Additionally, the broker also offers a Refer a Friend program, which rewards clients for introducing new traders to the platform. When existing clients refer friends or family members to FXTM, both the referrer and the new client can benefit from the program. The referrer earns a bonus for each successful referral who opens and funds a new trading account. This incentive is designed to encourage satisfied clients to share their positive experiences with others while receiving rewards for their efforts. The program aims to build a larger trading community and enhance the overall trading experience for both new and existing users. FXTM offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to diverse trading needs and preferences. The primary platform, MetaTrader 4, is renowned for its user-friendly interface, robust charting tools, and extensive range of technical indicators. For those seeking even more advanced features, FXTM provides MetaTrader 5, which includes additional functionalities such as enhanced charting capabilities, a broader range of order types, and access to more markets. Both platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, allowing traders to access their accounts and execute trades from anywhere. FXTM's trading platforms are designed to provide a seamless and efficient trading experience, combining technological innovation with ease of use. FXTM offers two main types of trading accounts, tailored to meet the needs of different types of traders. Their account options include the Advantage and Advantage Plus accounts, with Demo and Islamic account options, each designed to provide unique benefits and trading conditions. The Advantage trading account is tailored for traders seeking enhanced trading conditions and flexibility. This account type offers competitive spreads, providing an advantage in cost efficiency. It features a commission-based structure where traders pay a small fee per trade, allowing for potentially lower overall trading costs compared to traditional accounts. The Advantage trading account is designed to accommodate a wide range of trading strategies and is particularly well suited for those who require direct market access and fast execution speeds. Traders benefit from the advanced trading platforms provided by FXTM, which offer a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to support effective decision-making. Additionally, the account supports a broad range of financial instruments, enabling traders to diversify their portfolios and optimize their trading strategies. FXTM's Advantage Plus trading account is designed for traders seeking premium trading conditions and enhanced features. This account type offers competitive spreads, and clients benefit from direct market access as well as advanced charting tools, enabling more precise and efficient execution of trades. The account provides increased leverage options as well as a $200, pound, or euro minimum deposit. Traders also have access to a broad range of financial instruments, allowing for diverse trading strategies. Overall, the Advantage Plus trading account combines cost efficiency with advanced trading capabilities, offering an optimal solution for experienced traders looking to enhance their trading experience and achieve their financial goals. The broker also offers a demo trading account, which is designed to provide traders with a risk-free environment to practice and refine their trading skills. This account allows users to trade with virtual funds, simulating real market conditions without the risk of losing actual money. It provides access to the same trading platforms and features available with live accounts, including advanced charting tools and technical indicators. The demo account is an excellent resource for beginners to familiarize themselves with FXTM's trading environment and for experienced traders to test new strategies and techniques. Users can explore a wide range of financial instruments while gaining valuable experience in managing trades and understanding market dynamics. The account serves as a valuable tool for building confidence and preparing for live trading. The FXTM Islamic trading account is designed to comply with Sharia law, offering a trading environment that adheres to Islamic finance principles. This account type is specifically tailored for traders who require a swap-free option, meaning that it does not incur or pay interest on overnight positions. The Islamic trading account provides competitive trading conditions, including low spreads. Traders benefit from access to FXTM's advanced trading platforms, allowing them to engage in a diverse array of financial instruments, without any concerns about interest-related charges. FXTM also offers a copy trading service, which provides an innovative solution for traders looking to leverage the expertise of experienced investors. Through this feature, clients can automatically replicate the trades of successful traders, allowing them to benefit from established strategies without needing to actively manage their own trades. The copy trading platform allows users to choose from a selection of top-performing traders based on performance metrics, risk levels, and trading styles. Investors can allocate funds to these traders and have their portfolios mirrored in real time, effectively copying their trading decisions and strategies. This service is designed to help both novice and experienced traders diversify their portfolios and potentially enhance their trading results by aligning with proven trading strategies. With FXTM's copy trading, users gain access to a straightforward and efficient way to engage in the financial markets, benefiting from the insights and skills of successful traders while managing their own risk exposure. Creating an account with FXTM is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Account button. Next, fill out your personal information, such as your name, country of residence, phone number, email, and create a password. After you have created your account, you will be redirected to the FXTM client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, view deposits and withdrawals, view your positions, contact support, and much more. After you have created your preferred trading account, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with FXTM. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of FXTM's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. And at the top of the workspace, a variety of tools such as chart types and indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a variety of helpful educational content online or over on FXTM's educational section to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. FXTM offers a range of convenient and secure options for deposits and withdrawals, designed to ensure a smooth and efficient financial experience for its clients. Traders can fund their accounts using various methods, including bank transfers, credit and debit cards, as well as popular e-wallets such as Skrill and NetTeller. These options facilitate quick and hassle-free deposits, allowing clients to start trading with minimal delay. For withdrawals, FXTM provides a streamlined process to ensure timely access to funds. Clients can request withdrawals through the same methods used for deposits. And the platform aims to process these requests promptly, adhering to specified processing times for each method. FXTM prioritizes security and efficiency in all transactions, ensuring that both deposits and withdrawals are handled with the highest levels of protection and accuracy. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at all levels of experience. The platform offers a range of materials, including webinars, video tutorials, and articles, covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental and technical analysis to advanced trading strategies. The educational section of FXTM's website features in-depth guides and market insights that help traders understand market dynamics and enhance their trading skills. FXTM hosts regular live webinars conducted by expert traders and market analysts, providing valuable insights and practical tips. For those seeking personalized support, FXTM also offers one-on-one coaching sessions and educational courses tailored to individual needs. These resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and tools necessary to make informed trading decisions and develop effective trading strategies. Additionally, FXTM provides a robust selection of news and analysis resources to keep traders informed and equipped with the latest market insights. Their market analysis section offers a wealth of information, including daily market updates, in-depth reports, and expert commentary on global financial events. The platform features a range of analytical tools and resources such as economic calendars, market forecasts, and technical analysis reports, helping traders stay ahead of market trends and make well-informed decisions. FXTM's team of analysts and market experts regularly publish articles and updates that cover key economic indicators, geopolitical developments, and market movements. These resources are designed to support traders in understanding market conditions and crafting effective trading strategies based on up-to-date information. The broker has received numerous prestigious awards in recognition of its excellence and innovation in the financial trading industry. Some of their most recent awards include the Best Educational Program, the Most Trusted Forex Broker, the Best Islamic Forex Trading Account, the Best Mobile Application, among many other awards. These awards highlight FXTM's dedication to providing high-quality services, advanced trading technology, and exceptional client support. The recognition from industry experts and organizations underscores FXTM's reputation as a leading and trustworthy broker in the global financial markets. FXTM excels as a top-tier brokerage, offering a comprehensive suite of trading solutions tailored to meet diverse client needs. With its wide range of market instruments and competitive trading conditions, FXTM accommodates both new and seasoned traders. The platform's advanced trading technologies, including the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, provide users with powerful tools for executing trades and analyzing the markets. The broker's commitment to education is evident through its extensive range of resources, including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis, empowering traders with the knowledge needed to navigate the financial markets effectively. Additionally, its secure and efficient deposit and withdrawal processes, coupled with a variety of promotional offerings, enhance the overall trading experience. FXTM's advanced trading platforms provide users with powerful tools and flexibility, supported by an extensive range of financial instruments. And recognized by numerous awards for its excellence in trading services, FXTM has established itself as a trusted and innovative leader in the financial markets. With secure deposit and withdrawal processes and a commitment to client support and education, FXTM remains dedicated to providing a superior trading experience while helping traders achieve their financial objectives. And that is our overview of FXTM. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.